Welcome to Green Nest Microgreens. Today we're diving into the peppery, nutrient-packed world of arugula, also known as rocket. It's a game changer for your health and your plate. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are microgreens, and why is everyone talking about them? Microgreens are young vegetable greens, harvested after their first true leaves develop. Think of them as the toddler stage of a plant. They offer aromatic, concentrated flavor, a variety of colors and textures, and are packed with higher nutrient levels. This is the why. Research shows that microgreens can contain up to 40 times more vitamins and carotenoids than their mature counterparts. Why eat a giant bowl of salad when a handful of microgreens can give you the same nutrient punch? It's efficiency at its most delicious. Now let's talk about our star, arugula. In the world of microgreens, arugula is the one with the boldest personality. Arugula, or Eruca sativa, is a Mediterranean classic. It has been loved for thousands of years, popular since Roman times. At Green Nest, we honor that history by using non-GMO, organic seeds, preserving its ancient vitality in every tray. Unlike the often bitter mature leaf, arugula microgreens offer a clean, spicy kick, followed by a subtle nutty finish. This characteristic bite comes from glucosinolates, compounds known for their cancer-fighting properties. If you love black pepper or a bit of radish spice, you will love our rocket microgreens. Our arugula grows fast, but we never rush it. It takes 7 to 12 days to reach perfection. It spends its first few days in darkness to build strong roots, then moves into our controlled light environment to develop those beautiful green leaves before harvest and delivery. Why arugula rocket? It's a triple threat. It's better for your body, incredible for your cooking, and kinder to our planet. It is high in vitamin K and antioxidants, acts as a natural seasoning, and is grown with 90% less water than traditional field farming. Compare this. Per gram, our arugula microgreens dwarf common greens like spinach and lettuce in terms of pure vitamin concentration. You're getting more for less. Arugula is a micronutrient powerhouse. Just a small serving provides more than enough vitamin K for your day, which is essential for blood clotting and bone strength, alongside good amounts of vitamin A and C. How do you eat them? It's simple. Top your eggs, finish your pizza, or let them be the star of a gourmet salad. They turn a home-cooked meal into a restaurant-quality experience. For our Indian kitchens, arugula works beautifully. Imagine that peppery kick on a buttery paratha, or blend it into a fresh green chutney. It adds a whole new layer of flavor to our traditional dishes. Freshness is key. Treat these like delicate flowers. Keep them cold, keep them dry, and keep them in their container. This ensures they stay crisp for up to 10 days. Our packaging is functional and built for freshness. It's BPA-free, 100% recyclable, and designed to protect the microgreens while maintaining the perfect humidity. The label includes the harvest date, a QR code for recipes, and a nutrition summary. At Green Nest, quality and sustainability are non-negotiable. We use 100% non-GMO organic seeds and a triple-filtered UV water system. We never use pesticides or herbicides and maintain strict HACCP-compliant hygiene protocols. Our clients, from home cooks to professional nutritionists and chefs, consistently praise the flavor and nutrient density of our arugula. The feedback is clear. Green Nest brings flavor and health benefits to the table. Let's answer some common questions. Do you need to wash our arugula microgreens? They are grown in a clean environment, so a light rinse is fine. They last 7 to 10 days in the refrigerator, and we recommend eating them raw to preserve their nutrients. More frequently asked questions. Rocket is the traditional British and European name for arugula. Yes, it has a peppery, radish-like kick, but it's manageable. We grow without soil using hydroponic mats for clean root support. Ready to elevate your meals? Ordering your fresh batch is simple. Just send fresh via WhatsApp to 7,972,475,135. Subscription plans and individual clamshells are available. Thank you for choosing Green Nest Microgreens. Remember, we stand by our motto, small greens, big impact. Visit us online or follow us on social media.